Ever thought of starting a furniture repair business with minimal investment? Imagine being your own boss, setting your own hours, and creating beautiful, restored furniture. Welcome to Business Ideas, your one-stop channel for business inspiration. Today, we're diving into the world of furniture repair, a business you can start with little cost. First things first, you'll need a vehicle. Ideally, a truck or SUV that you already own. This will allow you to transport furniture from clients' homes to your workshop and back again. Next up is tools. A good craftsman never blames their tools, but having the right ones can make all the difference. You can pick up used tools just about anywhere. Online marketplaces, thrift stores, yard sales, even friends and family might be able to help you out with loaners to get you started. Now you'll need a workspace. This is where you'll be refinishing your furniture and storing your finished products. Consider starting this as a side hustle. Keep your day job, even if you're not in love with it. This will provide a steady income while you build your business. And while we're on the topic of building your business, it's time to discuss selling your products. There are countless online platforms where you can sell your restored furniture. OfferUp, Amazon, eBay, these are just a few examples. Do your research to find out which platform works best for you. Lastly, don't forget about funding your business. Selling things you no longer use is a great way to raise some initial capital. Every little bit helps when you're just starting out, and who knows, you might just find your first piece of furniture to restore. In conclusion, starting a furniture repair business is a journey. It requires patience, dedication, and a love for bringing old furniture back to life. But with a minimal investment and the right mindset, you could be on your way to owning a successful furniture repair business. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on our next business idea. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep planning, and most importantly, start doing. Your furniture repair business awaits.